Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Lily Love Braids from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to start off at the top and let's draw a wavy line down to the right and curve it up. And now underneath, we're going to draw the shape of the head. Let's draw a curve down and bring it back up underneath the right side. Next, we're going to hop in and draw the face. At the top, let's draw two curves up and back down for the tops of the eyes. And a curve at the bottom to close it off. Now inside each eye, let's add a small circle. And then color these both in black. And lastly, for the eyes, let's draw a curve out on each side for the eyelashes. Now that we're done the eyes, let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start with a small curve in the center, and then curve it out and up on each side. And a long curve down underneath to close off the mouth. Now we're going to hop in and let's draw the teeth with a line down in the center and two more on each side. Now let's hop out and let's draw a curve out and back in for the ears. And another curve inside and up. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a curve up, down, and flick it up at the end like this. And let's bring it in with the wavy line in the same way. And let's add a wavy line across in the center. Now next to this piece of hair, let's draw a curve down and over to the right. And a wavy line inside this piece as well. Now underneath both sides, let's draw a line down to the ears. And then underneath the ears, let's continue it by curving it down and out. And then curve it back in. Now let's hop back up to the top. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a bump across. And then three more over and down to the ear. Now let's hop inside and let's add another bump near the bottom with two bumps on top. Now let's add the stripes of the hair by drawing two curves on the top left here. Two in the middle. And one down on the right. Now let's add the next layer of the hair by drawing a bump up on the left and continue it over to the right side. And then let's add 2 curves down on the top left and 2 over on the right here. And that's it for the head. Now top underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start with 2 lines down for the neck. And a curve across. Now a small bump on each side. And 2 lines down on the left and on the right for the straps of the dress. And connect it with a line across at the bottom. Now to continue the dress, let's draw 2 small lines down. And let's bring it out on each side with a wavy line. Now let's curve it back in. A V-shaped point on each side like this. And 2 more to close off the bottom of the dress. Now at the bottom of the dress here, let's add points in between each one with a small V shape. Now that we have the shape of the dress, let's hop in and let's draw some details. Inside at the top, let's draw 2 circles. And then in the center, a star. And lastly, inside the bottom section, let's draw a few curved lines down. And that's it for the dress. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start on the right side and let's draw an angle out. Another one underneath. And close off the end of the sleeve. Now for the arm, let's draw 2 curves down, like this. And 2 bumps down to the skirt for the hand. Now let's hop over and let's draw the other arm on the left side. For this one, we're going to angle it up with 2 lines. And close off the sleeve. Now for the arm, let's draw a long curve up. And the same thing next to it, bringing it behind the hair. Now for the hand, we'll start on the right and let's draw a curve up and bring it back in for the thumb. And add a small curve underneath. Now on top, let's bring it up and down for the next finger. And then let's curve it down and up. And one more curve for the last finger here. And close off the hand by curving it back down to the arm. And that's it for the upper body. Lastly, let's move to the bottom and draw the legs. Let's start in the center and let's draw a line down. And then 2 more on the sides. And close it off with a curve across. Now for the socks, let's draw 2 bumps down on each side. A line down in the center and curve it out. Now underneath, let's angle it out on each side. Then a line down in the center. And a curve to close off each side. Now inside, we're going to draw a star along the side. Let's draw an angle down from the top, a point inwards, another point underneath, and one more angle out. Now at the bottom, let's draw the feet. Let's draw a small line down in the middle, then hop out and let's bring it out and down. And close off the bottom of each shoe with a curve across. Now let's hop inside the shoe and let's bring it down and back up from the top here. And that's it for Lily Love Braids. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!